Hello and welcome to Bartender's Choice. I'm here in the amazing Casino Matrix, Silicon Valley's premier 24/7 entertainment destination, and today we will be making the Princess Killer, a fun, easy drinking raspberry cocktail fit for all royalty. All right, we're gonna start off with our shaker. We're gonna start off with our house sour mix. We're gonna do 1 ounce. Half ounce of Chambord. Half ounce of peach schnapps. And last but not least, Absolut Citron, 1.5 ounce. Gonna add our ice. And then we're gonna give it a shake. Grab a tulip glass and pour it out. Gonna add a little bit more ice. Top it off with some Sprite. Add our orange slice garnish and our maraschino cherry. There we have it, Princess Killer. I hope you like that cocktail. Comment below and let me know what you think. Thank you very much for watching. I am Anthony, and I'll see you next time. Cheers.